Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. Narelle here. It is time for another 52 weeks of our favourite photos throughout the year. And this is a funny photo. Well, the idea behind it is funny. I don't really know how to explain it. Anyway, this was as I was prepping dinner one night this week just gone, and it's going to be the mince mixture for a shepherd's pie. And my daughter had requested no peas in it because she doesn't like peas. I always put peas in it, and it's funny, when she brings her plate back, she picks out the peas and she'll bring back a plate of just the peas. That's if she eats it at all, because she doesn't like meat, but she's very, very low in iron. So anyway, I encourage her to eat it by adding mushrooms and bacon in it, and then she smothers it in barbecue sauce, and then she eats it minus the peas. So when she knew I was making it this night, she said, "No peas, Mum." I went, "Okay." And then as I was making it, I just put the peas in and went, "Oh shoot, I forgot she didn't want any peas." I went, "Oh well, never mind." So I took a photo and texted it to her. And then next to know, she comes out of her room and goes, "Mum, you said no peas." And yeah, that was just funny. It was like you had to be there type of thing. But that's a story I want to remember, because it's just classic her. Anyway, so that's the photo. That probably went on way too long. Anyway, I'm using Minte Country Fair papers and embellishments. The heading, I found I couldn't find anything on Cricut Access, and I really wanted to do something about peas for the heading, and I found this on Creative Fabrica. It's just I think it was a JPEG or PNG or something, and I brought it into Cricut Access and made it a print and cut file. So I've got that still on the mat ready to put on as my heading. So anyway, that is what I'm doing. I've already matted the photo, and I'm into double matting at the moment. Don't look at how this side is wider than this side. It's after midnight here, so that's my excuse. I'm really tired, but I'm still going to get this layout done. And yeah, ignore that side is bigger. But I'm really into double matting. Like, if you've watched any of my recent videos in the last week, probably they're all white and then black, double matted. Anyway, all right, I'm going to get onto it and we'll see what I can do. finally, there is my completed layout. I kept it nice and simple. I've just kept the 6x6 papers 6x6. I didn't cut them up, and I just used a few farm vegetable type embellishments in just 2 clusters with the heading, and nice and simple. Now I did have to add this little sign here because I wanted my copper colored dots up here to be in a triangle, and this one was too much aligned with this one, so I moved it over here. But then I left a glue spot, and rubbing it with the glue eraser, and it actually took the paper off and left a white spot, so I had to tuck a little sign down there, but it doesn't look out of place, so it's all okay. My journaling is going to go down here because I need to tell the story for this, because otherwise someone will look at this photo and go, what is this all about? And so I'm going to have to put journaling down here. I'll make up a little tag. Mint have these little frames, and I do know I've got some left over from when I had this paper as a 12x12, but I can't find them right now, so I will find one and I'll pop it down here, and that's what my journaling will go on. What else? The heading was actually a t-shirt design, and it's meant to be a play on words, give peace a chance, as in P-E-A-C-E. But there's a whole series of things replacing the word peace with peas. And when I saw it, I went, well, that is perfect for this layout. So that's why I used that. I think that's all I wanted to say. So if you have enjoyed this layout or this video, make sure that you hit that thumbs up, so I know that you have enjoyed it. There will be a playlist below for everyone else who is playing along with the 52 weeks of 52 favourite photos of everyday life. And make sure you jump on and see what everyone else has done, and maybe like and subscribe to their channels as well. And yeah, and like I said, if you like this, please give it the thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing so you know when my next video comes out. Thank you so much for watching. Have a scrap happy day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.